Hello, thank you for joining us today. I'm a representative of Group R, and today we'll be going over a brief presentation regarding our research, competition, reasons to invest, and our design requirements for our quick clean drain. Now for some background, and the team behind the improved drain, we have Peter Wilkens, our team coordinator, Robbie Gamble, our team monitor, Nathan Adilman, our team checker, and myself before you, your team recorder. This presentation, we're going to be overseeing details about our products as well as their users, the challenges we had to overcome in designing and that we hope to solve, the opportunity we're presenting to our users and market, details regarding our competitors and the advantages we hold, as well as the design requirements in our current prototyping process. For our users, our primary target are university students. For now, we'll be primarily focusing on university students in the United States. Furthermore, we did some supplementary research with artificial intelligence in which created user personas to better understand the in-depth values of university students. Finally, other potential future users would be in regions such as Asia, Latin America, and Africa, which have rapidly growing university populations. Other potential investors would be landlords, hotels, and industrialized shower operators.
The value opportunity of our design is first the problem with bathroom showers being unhygienic and difficult to keep clean, with panes being shower floors becoming slippery as residue builds up, cleaning shower drains being difficult, busy college students not having time to clean the showers, the cost of cleaning supplies building up over time as you need more and more, leading them to grow into bigger problems. Quick Clean solution is easy to install and dispose or clean. It allows for less maintenance for cleaning staff or students. Our design catches wet hair better than typical drains and reduces bacteria growth with less debris in the showers.
Okay, this here is a table of our quick clean drains competitors. You can see in the very top row the names of our competitors across, and then the rows there on the left are the user needs. The green cells here show that the competitor meets the user need on the left, and the red cells show they do not meet the need. So from this table, you can see that the Drano is our top competitor. The only user need that they do not qualify in is cost efficiency. So our competitive advantages. First is reliability. Our product is the most reliable shower cleaning device. It reduces debris buildup far more effectively than our competitors. Second is value. It has all the important traits needed for college students at a low price. It also incentivizes users to invest based on hygiene results and efficiency. And the last is simplicity. It is one of the most, it is not simple yet effective cleaning products for your bathroom. Require regular maintenance, and it's easy to insert and remove. So this here is our solution grand concept description. The picture on the left is the isometric view of our drain. The middle picture, you can see that the inside of the drain is sort of like a funnel shape, and the edges are lined with a Velcro material to help catch debris as the water flows down. And then the picture on the right is the hardening clay material that we're going to put on the outside of our drain so that it can mold into many different drain sizes.
Moving on to our design requirements. Our first design requirement is the rate of flow. Most showers output a rate of water of around 8 liters per minute. So our drain needs to keep up with that as to reduce puddling. And so for our testing, we will have about 3 tests. Each drain will have various different amount of debris, hair stuck in its capturing device. We'll see if the water can drain at a good enough rate. To measure, we'll use a gallon of water, test how many seconds it takes, and then transition that to liters per minute. The next design requirement, we have the rate of debris removal. So for this, we have to make sure our catching device can hold around 70 to 90% of all hair and debris that washes down the drain. We really don't want to see any clogging in the drain further down the pipe because that leads to expensive repairs. So for our testing, we'll have a base amount of some debris and hair, grams measured, and we'll wash that down. And then we'll take all the remaining hair and debris and measure that again, and then find what percentage was stuck in the capture device. For our third design requirement, we have to make sure the drain can resist the amount of weight it will be subject to during the shower. It needs to be able to hold at least one person's worth of weight. So for that, we have an average around 200 pounds to 250 pounds. And for our testing, we're going to make sure that the drain can withhold that much weight around 15 minutes, the average time a shower takes. The fourth design requirement is ease of replaceability. The reason our design drain is so much better than our competitors is that it's simple and effective. We're about to take 5 people from different backgrounds, different ages, and see how easy and intuitive our drain is to remove and replace, hopefully looking for about 30 seconds from each person. Our last design requirement is the drain form fitting test. Our drain needs to be able to fit in a wide variety of different drain holes. Each drain hole can have a different diameter, and so it's hard to have a universal drain. To fix this, we need to have a moldable clay that our partner Robbie talked about earlier. To test this, we're going to have 3 different drain holes, one at around 3.5 inches diameter, one around 4 inches diameter, and one about 5 inches diameter. And we're going to test if our drain can adapt to each of those drains and still withhold. Thank you for listening.